Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech once again. In today's video, as you can see, we have an HP laptop and the model number is HP15-DY2795WM. So anytime when we power it on, nothing displays on the screen and the caps lock keeps blinking. So that is just the issue on today's video, and I'm going to show you how to solve this problem with just some few diagnostics. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, as the PC is not displaying, so we just have to open the back and then just turn the back and remove every screw at the back and use a prior tool to open the back case. Now that we've unscrewed all the screws from the back case, while we remove it, it is open now. As you can see, this is just the motherboard of the PC. First and first, what we need to do is just remove the battery, and as you can see, these are just the screws which are attached to the battery on the motherboard. So let's remove all the screws and just unplug the battery from the motherboard. After removing the battery, we have to drain all the power from the motherboard itself. Now here's the case. We were checking for a CMOS battery, but looking at this PC, it is not having a CMOS battery. The battery is served as the main power source. But if your own is having a CMOS battery, just unplug that or remove it from the motherboard. So what we are going to do is that we are going to, because the battery is removed, we are going to drain all the power from the motherboard before then we see whether the PC is going to display or not. So let's do that. To drain the power from the motherboard, as we have removed the battery, but the power is not taken out from the motherboard, just turn back the back of the PC and then press and hold the power button for at least 20 to 30 seconds just to drain out all the power from the PC. Right, after doing this 30 seconds pressed power button, now just plug the adapter and try the PC out to see if it displays. So if the PC displays, voila, we are good to go. If it doesn't display, then we move to the next step. So keep watching. So for my case, my PC still do not display. So as we are moving to the next step, just press and hold the power button to force turn the PC off. And once we force turn it off, now once we force shut it down, just remove the adapter and turn the back of the PC. As you can see, we have two RAMs connected, so just remove all the RAMs from the RAM slots and disconnect every cable which is connecting to the motherboard directly. Once removed all the cables from the motherboard, just use a simple brush to do some cleanup on the motherboard. Clean the RAM slots and every slot where you disconnect a cable from. Clean all that, just to be sure that it's not dirt that is making it not to display. So let's do that. Once you are done cleaning, don't just put everything back to where it was. At least with the RAMs, just input one RAM and then try to see if the PC boots. And the cables, just be connecting them one by one as I'm going to speed up this process. So keep watching. And mistakenly, I didn't connect the switch cable. So I have to do that before. So I'll turn back the PC and then connect the cable and then try to power on and see if it displays. Yes, and the PC has displayed, as you can see on the screen. So as I said, once you disconnect every cables and RAMs or just remove everything from the board, don't just connect them back all together at the same time. Be connecting them individually to see which one is faulty or which will solve the problem. So that is just it. So in my case, one of my RAM is faulty. As you can see, I only use one RAM and the PC has displayed. So in my case, one of my RAM is faulty, so which I'm going to be replacing for the meantime. So let's get to solving this problem. But for now, I'm going to be testing both of the RAMs for you to be sure that it's one of the RAM which is faulty. So I'm going to put them all back together and then do the testing again for you to see. So as you can see, still no display as it is. So I'll just turn back the machine, remove the RAM, and then we try it once again, and you are going to see how the PC is going to work without that RAM. So one of the RAM is faulty, which I've just removed. So let's try it again once again. Alright, so as you can see, we've just detected our problem right now, that one of our RAM is faulty, so which I'm going to be replacing later. So we are just going to assemble everything back to as it was, plug back the battery and connect every cable which we have disconnected, even all the battery and weather fan or anything that you disconnect on the PC. We are going to connect it back and close back the case to see if the PC is working normal or not. So enjoy the video. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. But this can also be applied on many different PCs. So if you have a different machine which is Toshiba, Lenovo, Dell, Acer, you can try this method on it to see if it works. If it does work, comment below the PC name that it worked on, so that other people will also use it as a base in solving their own problems on different models. So thank you guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.